Hello everyone. Welcome to History class of Standard 7th. Lesson number 5, The Foundation of the Swaraj. Solutions. Question number 1, Find the odd man out. Pune, Supe, Chakan, Bangalore. The odd one is Bangalore. Jadhavs of Fulton, More of Javali, Ghorpades of Mudhol and Surveys of Savantwadi. Jadhavs of Fulton is the odd one. Torna, Murumbadev, Sinhagad, Sindhudurga. Sindhudurga is the odd one. Yesaji Kank, Baji Pasalkar, Kanhuji Jedhe, Survey of Shringarpur. Survey of Shringarpur is the odd one. Chandrarao More, Shaista Khan, Afzal Khan, Siddhi Johar. Shaista Khan is the odd one. Let's move on to question number 2. Identify. Birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivneri Fort. Jagir of Shahaji Raje in Karnataka. Bangalore. First capital of Swaraj. Rajgarh. Fort built by Shivaji Maharaj in Zavali Valley. Pratapgarh. Title conferred by Adil Shah on Siddhi Johar. Salabat Khan. Place where Baji Prabhu Deshpande laid down his life. Ghod Pass. Let's move on to question number 3. Arrange the following events in the chronological order, and the correct order is Fall of Nizam Shahi, Capture of Zavali, Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan, Siddhi Johar laid siege to Panhala. Question number 4. Complete the following diagrams. Parganas in the Jagir of Shivaji Raje. Pune, Supe, Chakan, Indapur. First 4 forts conquered by Shivaji Maharaj. Murumbadev, Purandar, Kondhana, Torna. Sardar who opposed the cause of Swaraj. Savants of Savantwadi, Mores of Zavali, Ghorpades of Mudhol. Next question. State the reason and complete the statement. Forts were of official significance in the times of Shivaji Maharaj because it was possible to control the surrounding area by firm hold over the fort. Shivaji Maharaj took action against Chandrarao More because he opposed the cause of founding of the Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan because Afzal Khan attempted trickery. Shivaji Maharaj opened talks with Siddhi Johar because Siddhi Johar showed no signs of relenting siege. It became possible for Shivaji Maharaj to reach to Vishalgarh because Baji Prabhu Deshpande's army held at bay the army of Siddhi Johar at the Ghod Pass. Question number 6. Find out and write. Why is Shivaji Raje termed as a Swaraj visionary? Shivaji Raje himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the power of foreign people. Therefore, he is termed as Swaraj visionary. Next question. Shivaji Maharaj paid attention to building a navy. After the conquest and capture of Raigad, Kalyan and Bhivandi on the Konkan coast, Shivaji Maharaj came in contact with the Siddhis, the Portuguese and the British powers. He realized that in order to fight those powers, it was necessary to have strong naval force. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj paid attention to building a navy. Next question. Shivaji Maharaj entered into a treaty with Adil Shah. Shaiste Khan, the Mughal Sardar, invaded Pune province when Shivaji Maharaj was trapped at Panhala. After managing to escape from siege led by Siddhi Johar, he realized that it would not be prudent to fight with two enemies at one and the same time. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj entered into a treaty with Adil Shah. Question number 4. How did Shivaji Maharaj manage to escape from Panhala? Shivaji Maharaj opened talks with Siddhi Johar, who laid siege to Panhala fort. The peace talks lead to slackness in the siege. Taking the advantage of this situation, Shivaji Maharaj managed to escape from Panhala. Next question. When was Shivaji Maharaj born? Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 as per Hindu calendar on Falgun Vadya Tritiya Shaka 1551. Question number 7. Answer in your words. Answer the following questions in brief. The efforts Veer Mata Jizabai took for education of Shivaji Maharaj. Veer Mata Jizabai was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in usage of weapons. She inspired in him the will to dream of Swaraj. Next question. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawar region. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawar region because Mawar region was a part of his Pune Jagir. The terrain of Mawar region was full of hills and valleys and was not easily accessible. He could make use of those geographical features very skillfully for founding Swaraj. Let's move on to next question. List the companions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj. येसाजी कंक, बाजी पासलकर, बापूजी मुदगल, नऱ्हेकर देशपांडे ब्रदर्स, कावजी कोंढाळकर, जीवा महाला, तानाजी मालुसरे, कान्होजी जेधे, बाजी प्रभू देशपांडे and Dattaji Narsaprabhu Deshpande were the companions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 8. What do you think? Give reasons for the following statements. The conquest of Zawli increased the strength of Shivaji Maharaj. The conquest of Zawli increased the strength of Shivaji Maharaj because he overcome opposition of Chandrarao More, a powerful Sardar in Adil Shahi. He attained a huge amount of wealth from Zawli. He captured Raigad fort and was able to increase his activities in the Konkan region. He also captured Kalyan and Bhivandi on the Konkan coast. Next question. Afzal Khan was sent to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj had started capturing forts in his Jagir and surrounding areas in territory of Adil Shahi. He had crushed the opposition of Chandrarao More of Zawli. The work of founding Swaraj had gathered momentum in the Konkan coast. All these activities were regarded as the challenge to Adil Shahi. Therefore, Afzal Khan was sent by Badi Sahiba to curb the activities of Shivaji Maharaj. Let's move on to the next question. Shivaji Maharaj managed to reach Vishalgarh after escaping from Panhala. Shivaji Maharaj managed to reach Vishalgarh after escaping from Panhala because he had entrusted the responsibility of stopping Siddhi's army at the foot of Vishalgarh to Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Baji Prabhu checked Siddhi's army at the Ghod Pass. He fought with great valor and held Siddhi's army at bay. On his way to Vishalgarh, Shivaji Maharaj crushed the opposition of Adil Shahi Sardar Dalvi of Palwan and Surve of Shringarpur. Question number 9. Write about the following in your own words. Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was the preeminent Sardar in the service of Nizam Shahi kingdom at Ahmednagar. After having failed to save Nizam Shahi against Mughals and Adil Shahi, he became a Sardar of Adil Shahi kingdom at Bijapur. His Jagir comprised Pune, Supe, Indapur and Sakand Parganas. In addition to these, Adil Shah granted him the Jagir of Bengaluru and surrounding areas in Karnataka. He was expert in using sword, patta, spear and was an excellent archer. He was a valiant, courageous, intelligent and a great political expert. Veer Mata Jizabai. Veer Mata Jizabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhuji Raje Jadhav of Sindakhed Raja in Buldhana district. She had received formal education as well as military training in her childhood. She was a competent and visionary woman who constantly guided Shivaji Maharaj in mission of establishing Swaraj. She had looked after education of her son and imbibed values like modesty, truthfulness, courage, etc. and desire to establish Swaraj. Royal Seal, Rajamudra. The royal seal was in Sanskrit, which stated the objective of establishing Swaraj by Shivaji Maharaj. It stated that the seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people. Through his inscription, Shivaji Maharaj expressed his gratitude towards his father, Swaraj, and commitment towards the welfare of his subject. Open-ended question. State the need to imbibe right type of values among the younger generation. It is necessary to develop the programs for inculcating values in the society, imbibing the qualities of good conduct, self-confidence and high values would help students to earn significant place in a society. Education without values is like a flower without fragrance. Veer Mata Jizabai played a very important role in molding the character of Shivaji Maharaj by imbibing right type of values. A similar role can be played by the teachers to mold the future of the citizens in India. Dear students, here we have completed the question answers of lesson number 5. Thank you.